7 life-saving 5-minute meals, full week of dinners. 7 crazy fast meals for when you're too tired to cook. These 5-minute dinners and breakfasts use pantry staples like pasta, eggs, and tortillas. Includes avocado pasta, Mug Scramble, Hummus Quesadilla, and more. No fancy skills needed. Got 5 minutes and 0 energy. These 7 meals will save your week. No cooking skills needed. From creamy pasta to fancy toast. Let's go. Recipe 1. Creamy avocado pasta. Ingredients: cooked pasta, use leftovers, 1/2 mashed avocado, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, salt, pepper, chili flakes. Steps: mix avocado plus lemon juice into pasta. Season, toss, and done. Bonus: add canned tuna or cherry tomatoes for protein. Recipe 2. Egg Mug Scramble. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon milk, a handful of spinach, and shredded cheese. Steps: whisk eggs plus milk in a mug. Add spinach, microwave 1 minute. Stir, add cheese, and microwave for 30 seconds more. Perfect for breakfast or breakfast for dinner rebels. Recipe 3. Caprese Tortilla Pizza. Ingredients: 1 tortilla, 1 tablespoon pesto, sliced tomatoes plus fresh mozzarella, and balsamic glaze. Steps: spread pesto on tortilla. Top with tomatoes plus cheese. Boil 3 minutes. Drizzle balsamic. Fancy in 5 minutes. Recipe 4. Spicy peanut butter noodles. Pouring sauce over noodles. Ingredients: 1 pack instant ramen, no seasoning, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon sriracha. Steps: cook noodles, drain. Mix in PB plus sauces. Peanut butter isn't just for sandwiches, folks. Recipe 5. Tuna stuffed avocado, scooping avocado. Ingredients: 1 avocado, 1/2 can of tuna, 1 tablespoon Greek yogurt, lemon zest. Steps: halve the avocado, remove the pit. Mix tuna plus yogurt, stuff into the avocado. Keto, healthy, and no dishes. Win-win-win. Recipe 6. Hummus Quesadilla, folding tortilla. Ingredients: 1 tortilla, 3 tablespoons hummus, a handful of baby spinach, and shredded cheese. Steps: spread hummus on a tortilla. Add spinach plus cheese, fold, microwave 1 minute. Kids love this, and it's vegan if you skip the cheese. Recipe 7. Berry yogurt parfait, layering in a glass. Ingredients: 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, a handful of granola, mixed berries, honey drizzle. Steps: layer yogurt, berries, and granola. Repeat. Top with honey. Breakfast, dessert, or I deserve this snack. Who said fast food means takeout? Pick your favorite, and let me know in the comments which one you're trying tonight. Don't forget to subscribe for more Lazy Genius meals. CYA next time. Let us go with the shopping list. Serves 1 for 7 meals produce. 1 avocado, 1 lemon, 1 tomato, spinach, mixed berries. Dairy, shredded cheese, fresh mozzarella, Greek yogurt. Pantry, pasta, ramen, tortillas, PB, hummus, granola, honey, spice. Protein, eggs, canned tuna. Condiments, pesto, soy sauce, sriracha.